We always like to use corn as a vegetable in our savory preparations. There are hardly any sweet dishes or recipes with corn as a hero. So here I have come up with 2 corn desserts or sweets which you can try for this festive season. The first is my original recipe of corn payasam and the second is my adaptation of a Korean delicacy. For the corn payasam, you will need some raw corn kernels which I have just separated from the ear. I am using 1 whole corn here. Now let's grind this into a paste and keep it aside. To make the payasam, in a pan add 1 teaspoon of ghee and fry the nuts. I have used pistachios and almonds. Fry it and keep it aside. In the same pan with the residue ghee, add the ground corn puree. It will come up to half a cup. Cook the corn puree in the ghee at very low flame till the raw smell disappears and it all comes together to form a lumpy mass and becomes non-sticky. Simultaneously in a saucepan, boil some milk, which is 3 times the quantity of corn puree used. So here I have taken 1.5 cup of milk and sugar, which is 1/4 cup, to which I am adding 2 to 3 cardamoms freshly ground and letting the milk to boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the cooked corn puree and give it a mix. Close it with the help of a lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once simmered, add the fried nuts and bring it to a quick boil and serve. Now let's see how to prepare a Korean-inspired candied corn. For which, firstly you'll have to combine the corn kernels with a mixture of cornstarch and flour by just sprinkling it with water. Separate it into individual corn poppers and fry it as shown. Once the corn poppers turn golden, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. For the caramel, melt 3 tablespoons of sugar in 1 teaspoon of water. Once it becomes golden and you get the caramel flavor, individually drop in the fried corn poppers and toss it in the caramel until it gets coated well. You could even add 2 to 3 drops of oil to the caramel to get a wonderful glaze to your candied corn. Let these candies air dry for some time and then store it in an airtight jar for later use. If you like caramel popcorn and the Mexican crispy fried corn, you would definitely love this Korean style candied corn. Try these recipes for the festive season and share your feedbacks with me on my Instagram and Facebook accounts. For more such interesting recipes, do like, share and consider subscribing to my channel. Also press the bell icon for immediate notification. Until next time, happy eating and bye.